Alright, here we go. Time to get properly stuck into the trees now. Honestly, this video doesn't do it justice. It was tough. There was tight spaces, awkward angles, branches coming everywhere, and everything that could go wrong did. And then of course, just when you need it most, the GoPro battery started throwing a bit of a tantrum. Perfect timing. So you'll have to take my word for it. Lifting the bikes out of the deep rut was an absolute nightmare. But hey, we made it.
Do you want a hand to push out?
Okay, no.
Jeez.
You can come to the tree down there.
Alright. I could have saw you.
Put on that stand there a second. You're lovely Singletrack there, but it's probably overgone.
Yeah. Yeah? Is it a long track or just a short little one? Oh yeah, yeah. You're on a shape. These mirrors, not friends today.
Fucking not far, not a bit.
I'll do another good push and we might get it over 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, bud.
Be careful the next year.
The next lads will appreciate it. Gonna jump off the trees. Get up. And we get out. Ready? Oh, shit. Didn't fall. Oh. Lads, you can't see, but I have a sun visor inside this helmet.
Next up we hit this single track. Now it's not the hardest trail by any means, but for some reason it has my number every single time. It's like clockwork. I see it, I ride it, I fail and fall. And guess what? Today was no different.
I don't have the energy for you today.
I can't remember when I've had a more pleasant day. Until we meet again.
Oh good. Fucking trees. Fucking trees. Oh, come on.
And just when you thought we were in the clear, there it is. The tree that said, nope, not today. Completely blocking the track. There was no way around, over or under, or even through the ditch. And at that point we were just going to game over for that trail and the day.
Right, we're blocked.
After all that, it was time to head home. What a day. Tough trails, plenty of challenges, and more than a few laughs. That's what it's all about, right? If you enjoyed the madness, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what you thought. See you in the next one.